Right, today we're at Fort Steele. It's an old settlement, really old. One interesting thing about Fort Steele, serves the best coffee this side of the Rockies. Looking forward to that one. Hey guys, wave to the camera. Oh yeah, there you go. No.
Employee parking in there.
If it goes, you go.
What are you sitting on?
The gas tank.
What?
Oh, honey, look. Yeah. Pick them up.
Oh, you're just walking normally. That's no good. You're meant to do something weird.
Oh,
We should have sped up.
oh yeah. Hey. Welcome.
Okay, just like it was back in the olden days, with olden people, just like me. What's that? What do you reckon? Let's go up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can do this. And we're up. Pretty cool. Heading down. It's my exercise for the day. Actually, tomorrow we're doing a big hike. Today, we're sightseeing. We're tourists. So back in the old days, this was the original high street. And down here was a bridge. Oh, there was a ferry that went across, sorry. There was a ferry. Galbraith's Ferry. I guess you had a horse, you should come down this way. And down there, get a ferry across the river. Yeah, we got to go up that water tower. Sun's coming out, beautiful day now. Nice and peaceful.
Nugget Norm's gold.
Nugget Norm. Hey ladies, how's it going? Smile, wave to the camera, jump up, down. This is Tundra. Let's see if Tundra wants to say hi to us. Hey Tundra, hey buddy. Hey Tundra, you wanna come say hi? Tundra, I'm the horse whisperer. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Not a bad backyard for Tundra. So from the water tower, we are going to visit Tundra. And this is Tundra. She is Tundra. Tundra's been in, hey buddy, there you go. Tundra's been in a Tundra horse wagon all day. So she's having a good bit of eat. Gonna run around a bit. Yeah, you're a good girl, Tundra. Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay. Well, it's certainly been a fun day. It's like 3 o'clock nearly, and we've got to go home. I think we're going to go to the cemetery. Should be some pretty old gravestones in there. That'd be pretty interesting. Okay, Tundra. See you around, buddy.